Hi everybody, Alex here from Expert Forex, and in today's video we're going to be seeing the automation of our double in a day trading concept and the power of this automation. And as you can see on your screen, we've basically used really sound trading principles, which are in this case, and there are many other entry methods, we are using the RSI hook. That you see that hook there, and that creates an entry when similar entry criteria are met, such as it crosses the envelope, and then that is a sell signal, and as you see a sell was taken, a top up was entered, but in this case the price went back and got stopped out at break even, or it even looks like a small profit. Then here's a successful one. There's the hook, that's the entry criteria met, and there are the three top-ups that we now know about, and there is the exit. So using these simple trading techniques, RSI hook outside of the envelope, and away we go, we are able to automate the double in a day top-up process. Now, earlier this week I did this video where I showed 10 tripled accounts in 2 days, but this was traded on a manual basis. You can go and have a look at it. We talk about every single transaction that happened here, but this is pretty tricky. So the double in a day tool is actually quite complicated for the ordinary trader. So we have developed this automated version of the double in a day approach using the RSI and envelopes, which are channels. Now I'm going to start with a disclaimer, very important one, because the examples that are shown here are based on optimization. So the robot optimization process basically answers the question, with the advantage of perfect hindsight, what would be the best results that could be achieved using the EA over a certain period, with the advantage of perfect hindsight. So the results that you're going to see today are answering that particular question, but they also show you the potential of the EA compared to other EAs and to your requirements. But remember, those answers that we get are unlikely to repeat into the future, and we discourage you from using those particular settings. But this video will show you the logic of the RSI Envelope Trader. Now, this concept isn't brand new. On your screen you can see 4 videos where we show the RSI Envelope Trader, the results it achieves, and in many of these videos we actually show you the EA trading. And here you can see one, and I think this is the one where we actually show trading, 140,000 views, and it's made a great return. Here's 5,000 Ks taken to 1 million. Here's a 580% return, and here is a one where, and this one trades $10,000 to 23 million. So well worth watching these videos. Links will be in the description of the video as well as in the commentary of the video. And then the most recent one, again at 5,000 to 23,000 in 12 months. Go and have a look at this video. It explains a lot of the concepts behind the RSI envelope. Now, yesterday I had a look at this and I said, I wonder if this still works in today's market. So I ran a similar test yesterday, and here you can see the results. Here are the actual trades that had been placed on the actual chart. You can see it runs from the 1st of September last year to the 1st of September this year, and $5,000 had turned into $1.5 million. So the concept, and I really didn't spend much time finding these particular results. So the concept is live and well and ready to be used. Now, as always, people always ask what settings generated these great results, and on your screen you can actually see the settings. Now, as I've said in the disclaimer, don't use these settings. They're just supplied for educational and for interest purposes. And what if I run through the settings here, you can see RSI settings, you can see the envelope settings, you can then see the initial trade. There's the initial trade settings. Then there's the top up number 1, there's top up number 2, top up number 3, and then what time of day are you trading. And this particular one only trades from midnight to 11 o'clock, so basically the Asian market. And this gives you an idea of the complexity behind this particular this particular EA. It does require optimization skills for you to find the strategies that will suit your particular needs. Now the next question is, how do I get my hands on the RSI Envelope Trader? And here we are. There is a marketing page you can go to. A link will be in the description and the commentary of the video. There are 5 entry methods that you can use besides the hook that I've just shown you. Now this particular EA, the RSI Envelope Trader, is also included in a fantastic bundle that we're running at the moment. Very special bundle, 83% off, and there's about 16 EAs that you get. There is the RSI Envelope Trader, and as I say, the whole bundle is a 83% off. Now I hope you're as excited as I am about this RSI Envelope Trader. You can see the potential that it has, and we certainly will be putting it through its paces on live accounts next week. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio. Just a reminder to join our expert Forex community of over 30,000 Forex traders. It is free, so don't miss out on any new developments. A link is in the description of the video.